What's up YouTube? This is Ramsey here giving you a full review on the Klipsch S4 Black headphones. I ordered these about 3 days ago from Amazon. Got it today, Friday. So what I'm going to be doing is giving you a full review and an unboxing right from the package. I didn't open anything yet. So here we go, let's get started. Oh, and I ordered these from Amazon. As you can see here, you see the Amazon logo. And down here, these are worth $79 if you get them from Best Buy or anywhere else. Amazon was selling them for $48, so pretty good deal. Okay. The inside there's bubble wrap, protect it. So pretty good packaging for Amazon. Okay. So here's the Klipsch S4 box. This is the company box. Well, let's look at the box. You can see here it says Klipsch right on top. It's showing the clear edition, but I did get the black. I guess that's a picture they use. S4 down here, it says amazingly comfortable, noise isolating in-ear headphones with enhanced bass. It says edition editor's choice, CNET editor choice. So CNET apparently reviewed this. Okay, on the side here it gives you a whole bunch of information in different languages. I'm not about to read that. Okay, right here it says more information, ear tips, award-winning sound and comfort, deep bass, noise isolating, signature Klipsch sound, enhance your music, 2-year replacement warranty, stay secure during the workout. Okay. I do work out a lot, so that will be helpful. Okay, the box is just a cardboard box, no texture to it, just a regular old box. Okay, right here it says open here, so we're gonna see what this does. Well, it is not opening here the way I want it. Okay, it's not gonna budge. So I'm just gonna open it from the side right here. I could care less about the box. There we go. Okay. I guess that's how you're supposed to open it. Okay. Pull it out. It's in a clear plastic box with all the stuff in it. Okay, let's start with the box. Right here you get a container to protect it. You put it in when you're not using it. These help a lot. My friend, he said he uses this all the time, and he had his headphones for 8 months. It just keeps it from getting lost or tangled in something. You know, most of us we throw it somewhere, like on our desk or something. This, you put it in here and you put it somewhere. Okay. Okay. We're gonna do the headphones last. Yes, they're the most important thing, but we're just gonna play with it last. Okay, right here is the manual. It's on the back side. It is taped. There we go. And then, yeah, just the manual. It says Klipsch Images Phone S4 Headphones Owner's Manual. Okay, now the headphones. Okay, they come with a twist tie, like most headphones do. Okay, so now let's start the review on the headphones. Okay, I can already tell this is not gonna be tangle free. Alright, the wire is pretty thin. It does not look durable at all. That's gonna be a problem for me, but yeah, it gets pretty thin here too. Okay, here's the wire splitter. Yeah, I have an accent. Okay. Here are the headphones. They look pretty sharp. It says Klipsch right here. It has the clear earpiece. I could have swore these came with extra earpieces, but I guess not. Yeah, it has Klipsch right here. Goes down. The wire looks about to be 3 feet long. Yeah. 3, maybe 3.5, nothing longer than that. Okay, let's open the box, because I could have sworn. Yeah, here we go. Okay, the box. Yeah, inside the box you have this really nice foam type deal to protect the headphones with, and you get these extra earpieces. I knew they came with some. The ones that are on there right now, those are the mediums, I think. The medium size for like if you have medium size ears. These are the really if you have like really big ears, like elephant ears or something. And these are like for babies or kids, or if you have like really tiny ears. I cannot see anyone over 12 wearing these. This is like crazy small, like they're small. Well, that's about it. Thank you for watching, and see you again next time.